in, please?
What's the password?
Do you have the coochie lotion?
Get your ass in here. Hey. So, like all other YouTubers who do room tours, I just want to preface that I am in no way trying to make you guys jealous. But if you count this video being a little bit jealous, like, that's not my fault. In no way bragging, but like...
Okay, come on, let me see.
Okay. So
Bestie,
first, let's start. Got this off of Facebook Marketplace from my mother in Spanish.
Are you Duolingo?
Anyway, and now we go over to my desk. This is where I spend most of my time. I just go on YouTube. You know, like it's work. Like me watching YouTube videos is work because I'm a YouTube video like connoisseur. So yeah, I mostly like do work here. And then I got the whole shebang. Let's just give an overview. You know, you guys, it's self-explanatory.
Are you a Gemini?
I mean, like, I'm a liar.
Wait, let me frame it.
Okay, like, is this your video? Is this your video? Now we got all now we got all of my perfumes. We got Thank You Next by Ariana Grande. Not sponsored, but then we got, what else? My plant table. I've had these for like a year now, and they're still good. They're still going strong.
Go through like you're in the jungle.
Oh, okay.
Go through.
Do I look tiny?
Girl, you look so petite.
Oh my god, I'm in the jungle. Yeah, guys, these are actually
put like monkey sound, like.
Anyway, these are houseplants. I know, like, they may look bigger to you, but they're actually pretty small, but like comparative to me. Put the camera on me. Is this your video? Anyway, now we got this light up sign from Amazon. More like amazing on. And then...
Because you turned me on.
Okay, again, you don't need to be the jokester here, just me. Now we got these. I think I also got these off of Amazon. I know. Why do you have vines? I just came up with this thing. Like one day I was like, vines? That's cute. But like, if I see these in your room, I know where you got it. Anyway, and this I think I got it from Amazon or Urban Outfitters. Whatever. Okay, I'm not gonna go through every one of my sweatshirts until I get 1 million fucking subscribers, so.
Hey, wait, don't curse on the channel. You don't know what kind of people are watching.
Until I get 1 million FN subscribers. Okay, let's get over. So we got the sunset lamp because many people like to do LED lights. Get your toes. Anyway, a lot of people like to do LED lights, but like, different.
Wait, Bestie, let me get the lighting.
Switch it.
There we go. Hey.
You're sexualizing this. This is just a girl on her bed. This is just me hanging out on my bed. Anyway, this bedding is from Macy's. These sheets from Tarjay. I got this silk pillowcase because my natural blonde hair is just like, you need
to help your curls.
Yeah, like if you have ugly hair, switch to some silk pillowcases. Thanks Gma for the Christmas gift because she got
take that out, please.
Thanks Gma for the Christmas gift.
Yeah.
Why?
Because I didn't like it.
Not everybody. Then this heart pillow because I just like hearts. I hurt myself. That's why they're in my room.
They look like boobs.
Oh, material go right here because I got this off the street of NYC. I went up to the man. I said, "One, please." It was $5. And it's of Audrey Hepburn.
I'm actually friends with her.
I know.
Like, we go get tea sometimes at this place called Tiffany's.
Because we've been chatting it up.
Wait,
and I've been DMing her, and I'm like, we need to collab.
Are you gonna start coming to the weekly tea talk? Are you gonna come?
I mean...
Did she invite you? Because it's only like
It's been
me.
implied.
Yeah, I mean, there might... Because she kind of talks shit about you sometimes.
Helen, come on.
You know what? I'm gonna...
Thanks.
Just, yeah.
Anyway, I just have that of her because, like, she's my best friend. Whatever. Now I have these 2 dead plants, but I like that I made this. Yeah. Did that make you see me a different way? Like,
I got kind of turned on just a little bit.
no, because, like,
My
I mean,
coochie's
you...
twitching.
Shush!
Wait.
They
I
don't
kinda
need
like
to
that.
they don't need to hear who's behind the camera. Okay. So I made this. Yeah. Okay. And I got this from my friend Kaylee. Thanks, Kaylee. Okay. And then I got my astrology, and then I got my Gemini, and then your mindfulness. I filled out 1 singular page of that, but I feel like I'm mindful enough. And then purse, bag. Hey! This isn't your video. You just lost a lot of money. Okay. Anyway, Urban Outfitters, Drake.
Sorry, I keep looking at my toes.
Drake.
Hey. I don't like Drake.
I think this is his best album. I didn't even bring this up. So if you guys are normal, I'm not, and you have, what's it called? What are these called? Vinyls? Then you would just hang them up. But I framed them, and I think that made it a little bit neater, a little bit. I need you to shut up. Anyway, I feel like that's it. Now let's just film as if you're not here, what it would look like. Just me hanging out in my room. If you want to see more videos from me, hit the subscribe button. It's just down there. It's free. Don't cost no money. And you get to see me
A lot often?
Get out of here. Get out. Come on. This is my bedroom. Personal space. I need my own time. Come on. Hey. No means no. Consent is a thing.
Only because it's International Women's Month.
Get this to 200,000 likes, and I'll do a room tour in my bathroom. My cooter. Sure fucking spell. Bye.
I'm getting really uncomfortable.